This is my old launch controller. Broken, retired, and now it just hangs on the wall as a decoration, looking sorry for itself. So instead of buying a cheap plastic replacement, I'm going to build one from scratch and make it way cooler in the process. Let's get started. So before we do anything, we need to figure out what we're actually building. So the core components we need are simple. A 12-volt battery, a button, some wire, and optionally, a switch for safety. Let's go read the parts bin. There's our battery, cables. Okay, so not bad. We've got this big, beefy 12-volt battery, definitely enough power. You have a nice, shiny metal button, this 12-volt LED, which would be perfect to tell us if our circuit is complete. So now for the real question. What do we all put it in? So I have two options. Put it in a wooden enclosure that I built myself, which would be more difficult, but it would look nicer. Or we just put it in some Tupperware, which will be the easier option. I'd love to 3D print a custom housing, but I haven't got a printer yet. Subscribe. The housing that I've chosen is this black pot here, which will be perfect for our launch controller because it has loads of space inside. Unfortunately, the battery won't be able to fit, so this will have to just be mounted externally. Let's go build it. So unfortunately, the box got completely destroyed while trying to put the electronics in it, so we're going to need to find a new option. Okay, so this might look familiar to some of the people who have used Klima rocket motors, and that's because this is actually the case for them. Now, it's not the nicest looking thing, but trust me, it will look good once it's done. So here is the result. Let's test it. Okay, so when these two touch, the red light should light up. Ready? There we go. Now it looks a bit messy, so let's go paint it. So that's the build, and I think it turned out great. So it works perfectly, which is more than I could say for the one on my wall over there. I'll link the review for that up here. Like and subscribe for more builds, and I'll see you in the next one.